I'm Tyler Austin from Gungnir Strategic. Thank you so much for watching. So in this video, I'm going to go over suppressor maintenance and cleaning. Now, it's really important that you clean your suppressors on a fairly regular basis. A lot of people who own suppressors don't do this regularly enough, but it's really important that you do this fairly regularly because if you don't, the more carbon is going to build up in your suppressor, and you're going to notice a significant reduction in not only performance, but also an increase in weight. Because the more rounds that you put through this in between cleanings, the more carbon that builds up inside that suppressor, which reduces the internal capacity of the suppressor, of course, which reduces its performance, i.e. the suppressor will be louder. But on top of that, that carbon adds weight. So it's literally the worst of both worlds. Not only does the suppressor not perform as well, but it's also heavier. So it's obviously something you want to avoid. Now, in my personal opinion, I recommend that you clean your suppressor every 200 to 500 rounds. Now, I understand that sounds like a more rigorous cleaning schedule, which it is. However, in my personal experience, it is better to clean them more regularly than not, because not only are they easier to clean, because the more rounds that you put through that suppressor, the more that carbon bakes onto the internals of the suppressor, and just the harder it becomes to clean. But also on top of that, you're not going to have any performance reduction in between cleaning. So I personally recommend a more rigorous cleaning schedule, 200 to 500 rounds. But at the very least, you should clean your suppressor every 1,000 rounds or so. Now, in terms of actually cleaning the suppressor, the best way to do this is going to be with an ultrasonic cleaner. So if you don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, go ahead and do yourself a favor. You don't have to get a very expensive one. Go ahead and go to Harbor Freight or something and buy a small $50 to $60 ultrasonic cleaner. It will pay dividends when it comes to cleaning not only your suppressors, but also other firearms cleaning needs as well. Now, in terms of the solution that I use and I recommend this Frog Lube suppressor cleaning solution right here. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I've been using Frog Lube products, particularly their lubricants, for well over a decade now, and I absolutely love it. And they just recently introduced me to their suppressor cleaning kit, particularly this solution right here, and I'm not going back. I used to use more industrial grade cleaners like Purple Power, and I occasionally use Simple Green, but this stuff not only works much better than that, but it's also toxic free, or non-toxic, I should say, which is great because you don't have to worry about getting it on your hands or maybe your kids getting a hold of it or something. But on top of that, it's environmentally friendly. So you can take the dirty solution from your ultrasonic cleaner and just dump it outside with no issues. You're not technically supposed to do that with industrial grade cleaners. Not saying people don't do it, but you're not really technically supposed to do that. You have no issues doing that with this stuff right here. And on top of that, Frog Lube is also a channel sponsor because I love their products so much. Anyways, when it actually comes to cleaning the suppressor, what I'll do is I will take the suppressor apart, which for my suppressor is generally just going to be the mount and the end cap. So I'll take it apart and then I'll fill this tube right here with a 50-50 solution of water and the Frog Lube cleaning solution. And then I'll put the tube and its components inside of there, and I'll let it sit for a few hours, sometimes overnight. After it's sat for a while, I will take the tube and its components out of this, and then I'll put it in a hot ultrasonic cleaner. If your ultrasonic cleaner has the ability to heat up the solution, even better. Not only will the heat aid in the actual cleaning of the suppressor, but it also helps the water in the solution evaporate after you take it out. And I use the same formula in the ultrasonic cleaner as well, which is a 50-50 water and solution mix. Now, the owner of Frog Lube, Larry, he recommends 3 cycles of 3 minutes in the ultrasonic cleaner. For my ultrasonic cleaner, it does 4.5-minute cycles, so I just do 3 4.5-minute cycles, but either way, Larry recommends 3 3-minute cycles. After it's done with the cycles of the ultrasonic, I'll take the suppressor and the components out, and then I'll walk over to an air compressor and I'll blow out the tube and the components. Now, although most of that water in that solution is going to evaporate off because it's hot, I still like to bring it over to a compressor and blow off all the excess that might be in there, just to get rid of any of the excess water in solution that may be inside the suppressor in particular. Once that's done, I will take some of the Frog Lube Extreme lubricant. This stuff is nice because unlike oil, this does not burn off. So I'll take this stuff and I'll spray it inside the suppressor and get a nice good coating of the baffles. In this particular case, I just want to get a nice good layer of this Frog Lube Extreme Lubricant inside of the internals of the suppressor. And then I'll spray as well the components, which in my case is the mount and the end cap. Once I've sprayed those down, I'll reassemble the suppressor, and then I take some of the Frog Lube paste, which I don't have here, and I'll put it on the threads, both that go on to the muzzle device as well as the locking threads for this particular mount. And at that point, the suppressor has been cleaned and maintained. And that's how you clean and maintain a suppressor. It really isn't that complicated. It doesn't even really take that much time, honestly. It's just something that you have to do regularly, or something you should do regularly. Again, I recommend a hydrosonic cleaner. I especially recommend this Frog Lube solution. This stuff works phenomenally well. I actually need to get more of it because I'm almost out of it. Thank you again to Frog Lube for sending this out to me to try. This is a solution that I'm not going back on. This stuff is awesome. It just is so much better than Purple Power or Simple Green especially. Also, this solution will not damage any of your finishes on your suppressors too, which is another huge benefit to this over some industrial grade cleaners like Purple Power Simple Green, which will over time damage your finishes on your suppressor. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. Also consider joining my Patreon. Links down in the description below, of course. I'm Tyler Austin from Gungnir Strategic. Thank you so much for watching.